Amazing logging machines in action. And this video gives you a complete overview of how modern logging machinery works. The first trees have been felled. The chainsaw, powered by an engine producing approximately 6.5 horsepower and equipped with a 90 centimeters guide bar, is designed to cut down large diameter trees. As the giant trees crash to the ground one after another, the operator carefully guides the saw through each pre-planned cutting angle to ensure a controlled and efficient felling process. The loud sound of falling trees shakes the entire surroundings. It is still the same chainsaw, but what it does is beyond imagination. As the engine roars, it cuts 40 centimeters deep into each log.
Wood in the core of this thing.
Yeah.
If this solid wood,
It might be okay.
go a little higher, you might.
The #1 logging transport specialist is none other than the Peterbilt 359, with a diesel engine producing up to 475 horsepower and hauling dozens of tons of logs behind it. Thick clouds of exhaust smoke rise into the air. The machine is designed to be dismantled on site, making log transportation more convenient. The excavator, equipped with a large hydraulic grapple, continuously loads logs and fills the truck bed. Have you ever witnessed machines like these in action with your own eyes? Leave a comment below. Violently shaking, the K700 is trying to pull out a fairly large tree stump. Despite being equipped with a powerful engine, the stubborn stump still proves to be a real challenge for the machine.
Cura. Cima, gente.
Just look at it with its 3 6-inch chainsaw bar. It has more than enough power to bring down giant tree trunks. The 3 6-inch chainsaw roars through the forest. Powered by an engine producing more than 7 horsepower, the machine is designed to fell massive, large-diameter trees. The operator slowly guides the saw through the enormous base of the tree, and the trunk, weighing dozens of tons, begins to shake before crashing to the ground with a thunderous sound. I truly admire the courage of this driver. He is driving a truck carrying 30 tons of logs down the mountain. The load is challenging enough, but the muddy road ahead is an even bigger problem. The truck moves more and more slowly, requiring support cables secured from behind to help maintain balance. Subscribe to the channel now to witness even more extreme logging transport machines in action. Proving its position in the forestry industry. The Metz's 208F is working tirelessly at the log yard. It is equipped with a hydraulic crane with a reach of approximately 8 meters and an engine producing nearly 200 horsepower. The machine is specially designed for loading, sorting, and transferring heavy logs from storage areas onto transport trucks quickly and accurately. Just one small mistake could lead to the worst possible outcome for this machine. The LKT is hauling long logs down a steep hillside. Every centimeter it moves makes my heart race because of how dangerous the situation is. The TT4 is incredibly powerful as it helps pull a log-loaded trailer out of the rough road. Equipped with tracks, the machine can move across difficult terrain with ease. Just look at the pulling force. It is like a giant beast struggling forward with relentless power. No, the steep slope and narrow curves could cause the truck to slide backward at any moment. Carrying 20 tons of logs along with several small trailers, every section of the journey is a major challenge. Give this machine some extra support by commenting one below. A milestone marking the challenging logging journey of the LKT-81 Turbo. It is designed to travel through muddy terrain and is often equipped with tire chains to improve traction. In each working cycle, this machine can haul up to 15 tons of long logs through mountainous forest. Time to continue collecting logs. The MTZ Belarus 1025, powered by a 105 horsepower diesel engine and equipped with four-wheel drive, is specially used to gather logs that have already been felled. Once the towing cables are secured to the large logs, the machine generates a powerful pulling force, allowing tons of timber to be transported steadily toward the collection point deep within the forest. The wood chipper devours massive logs with ease. Equipped with an engine producing approximately 500 horsepower and a shredding rotor more than 1.5 meters in diameter, the machine automatically uses a hydraulic grapple to feed tree trunks into the crushing chamber. Inside, high-speed rotating blades continuously chip the material into uniform wood chips with remarkable efficiency. Felling an entire forest with many different types of machines. From chainsaws to the equipment used to transport logs out of the forest, everything is handled by machinery, saving a great deal of human effort. Subscribe to the channel now to witness more extreme machine transport moments.